Welcome to Appliance Educator's top dishwasher videos for 2021. First on the list is the right look for the right price, and it's the Asko DBI663IS. Some of the features on this bad boy is the anti-block drain pump, a DB level of 44. The top tray has easy height adjustment, divisible and removable baskets in the top rack, with racks for knives and utensils, as well as racks for bowls and cups. The handle has a welded stainless steel container. You have 11 programs in this dishwasher, which include normal wash, eco wash, hygiene wash, time program, plastic wash, rinse and hold, sanitation wash, upper half, lower half, crystal glass, and self-cleaning. And Asko's powerful Super Cleaning System Plus, which is developed to eliminate the need to pre-rinse, and the useful hygiene program for baby bottles and other items that need to be perfectly disinfected. Another familiar name to these lists with smart tech is the Bosch 800 series. Measuring at 42 dB, this is the quietest dishwasher brand in the US. The info light shines on the floor so you know the dishwasher is running. This includes a Rackmatic adjustable upper rack. The Rackmatic middle rack is easily adjusted to 3 different heights and up to 9 separate rack positions, allowing taller items like stemware to fit in the middle rack while leaving room for pots and pans below. Bosch has a crystal dry technology which transforms moisture into heat up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit to get dishes 60% drier for the ultimate dry. Coming to our best entry-level dishwasher is the Frigidaire FFID2426TS. This Frigidaire comes with a Orbit Clean spray arm, providing you better water coverage for a thorough clean every time. Also, the DishSense technology will automatically adjust the cycle time based on how much cleaning your dishes need. The polymer interior supports the drying process, keeping dishes dry the first time. Bigger is better with this KitchenAid KDTM404KPS, featuring its FreeFlex third rack. It's the largest third rack available as a deep angled design that fits 6-inch glasses, mugs, and bowls. It features rotating wash jets to clean items in the rack, a drying bar with tabs that will help wick moisture off glasses, and a removable utensil tray for cooking tools. This KitchenAid has adjustable rows in the middle and lower racks. Fold down to make room for dishes in a variety of shapes and sizes like roasting pans, serving bowls, colanders, and Dutch ovens. Heat dry options heats both the final rinse water and the air inside the dishwasher to help dishes come out dry and ready for your next creation. KitchenAid has a print shield finish which resists smudges and fingerprints. The specialized coating for stainless steel is easy to clean with just water and a soft cloth, so you can spend more time cooking and less time cleaning up your kitchen. Our final category today is more money, more power, and that's the Miele PG8130I240V. Economical and efficient, Miele professional dishwashers stand out with low consumption values. The Miele patented auto-open drying has the dishwasher door open automatically at the end of the program. This dishwasher features commercial electrical connections with 240 volts. Even large amounts of crockery can be cleaned quickly thanks to the high-performance connection. This also has connections for detergent dispenser modules, which is an optional dispenser that can be connected for convenient and economical use of liquid detergents. An integrated water softener is built in to ensure the optimum hardness level of the water for perfect dishwashing results. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. Hit that bell for all of our newest notifications. And if you have any of these appliances listed in the video, please let us know how you like them in a comment below.